Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a seemingly simple, yet incredibly essential piece of tech for many office setups, the Dysead USB data sync cable. This particular cord is designed to be fully compatible with devices like the P-150 and P-150M4081 B007 image formula document scanners, ensuring seamless data transfer and reliable connectivity for these crucial pieces of equipment. For anyone relying on their scanner for daily tasks, a dependable connection is non-negotiable. This Dysead cable steps up to that challenge, offering a US standard USB connection that isn't just limited to the specific scanners mentioned. It's also a versatile solution for a wide array of other devices, including computers, monitors, printers, and various home and office appliances that require a standard USB cable. This broad compatibility makes it a truly practical addition to any tech arsenal, reducing the need for multiple specialized cables. What truly sets this cable apart, beyond its compatibility, is the emphasis on quality and safety. The product boasts international quality certification, assuring users that it meets top industry standards. This isn't just a label. It translates into tangible benefits through numerous built-in safety mechanisms. The cable includes robust protection against common electrical issues, such as short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. For users, this means peace of mind, knowing that their valuable devices are safeguarded from potential electrical damage during operation. It's a testament to the brand's commitment to not just functionality, but also the longevity and safety of connected electronics. The Dysead USB data sync cable is presented as a high-quality cord, designed for consistent performance. When someone invests in a cable like this, they are looking for reliability, efficient data transfer, and durability, and this product aims to deliver on all those fronts. It's not just about connecting two devices. It's about ensuring that the connection is stable, secure, and capable of handling the demands of modern data transfer. The package includes one high-quality USB cable cord, ready to be put to use right out of the box. For those who need a trustworthy link for their image formula scanner or other USB-compatible devices, this Dysead cable presents itself as a strong contender, prioritizing both performance and device protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.